Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install these update, that is KB5013628, KB5013943 or KB890830. So if you're unable to install these updates on your Windows 11 computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. The first step is to run update troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, click on system, scroll down, click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters. Now here you can see Windows Update, click on Run, and once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11 once again. Still you are unable to install it, then restart Windows Update and background intelligent transfer service. For this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find Windows Update in the list, make a double click on Windows Update and then make sure startup type is set to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. With Windows Update selected over here, click on restart the service. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set it to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. With this selected, now click on restart the service. Now once done, try to update your Windows 11 once again. Now the next step is to use Windows 11 installation assistant. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow and it will check for update. If there is any pending update, click on accept and install it. Now when you open Windows 11 installation assistant, when you try to open it, if it is not opening, in that case open File Explorer, go to downloads and then over here make a right click on Windows 11 installation assistant, then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program in compatibility mode for. Put a check over here and then select Windows 7 from the list. Click on apply, click on OK, make a double click and then click on accept and install. Now the next step is to reset Windows Update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy command till here. Now open Notepad on your computer and then paste all the command in Notepad. Go to file, then click on save as. Set the location as desktop. Name this file as wuauserv.bat. And then for save as type, select all files. Now click on save. Now go to desktop. Make a right click on wuauserv file and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now this will open command prompt. First of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services. And if you see this prompt yes or no, type in Y and then hit the enter key. So first of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services and then it will run some scans. Now there are a couple of scans, so scans will take some time. And once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows Update services. Once done, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11. Now the last step is to use media creation tool. So if nothing works, you can use media creation tool to update your Windows 11. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file
Then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
So one of the steps should help you to install these updates successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.